Welcome back everyone. It is the 20th of April right now. The sun has been shining for like 2 weeks in a row. A lot of the snow has been melted away. I've had kind of a radio silence during the winter because, as I've said before, I don't have any indoor space where I can work on the van. So the van project has been kind of on a standstill. But today I thought that I would just go on this tiny little kayaking adventure. So let's head over there, put the kayak in and see what the day will bring us. So I have parked here on the side of the road. I will bring the kayak down and drag it on this reach down to the stream. And we will get going. I'm just gonna change shoes first because I have Converse on, and I'm gonna change over to the rubber boots. Okay, let's hope that the angle is good. My rubber boots is making it kind of difficult to fit in here, but I think it will be okay. So let's just get in here. There we go. It's been a lot of snow and ice melting, and from what I could see from the road up there, there is some ice blocking. And as you can probably also see, there is ice underneath here. Usually this stream is a lot deeper than what it is right now. One of the worries that I have is last summer when I went up this stream, there is a tree that's been chewed down by a beaver that covered, like it went all over the stream from one side to the other, and I had to bring a saw to cut some of the branches off just so I could pass under it. And I'm a little worried because the water level is so high that it won't be possible to pass through it, but we'll see what happens. It is barely possible actually to paddle here. Like if I put my paddle down, that's where the ice is. But I have to say, the conditions are perfect right now. It's like 5 degrees, sunny, it's no wind. I couldn't ask for a better day. Like, it's not too cold and it's also not too hot for the clothes that I'm wearing. So it's perfect. And I'm afraid that we have actually reached the end. Maybe we can get over it, but I don't know if I can trust the ice under here to stand on, so I don't wanna push my luck too much. I will pause the recording for a little bit just to save battery until I have figured out how to get over this.
A few inches later.
So I am afraid to say that it doesn't look very good. As you can see over here, let's just tilt the camera down a little bit. So yeah, as you can see over there, it's a lot of ice blocking the path. I will try to see if I can get past it, but if it looks worse up there over the tree, I will have to go back again and come back a later time. Okay, I will have to see myself conquered. As you can see here, there's not easy to get over. There's ice over here, another tree, another block of ice over there, and a little bit further the stream has actually it's still completely covered with ice, so there is no way that I can actually go up there, I'm afraid to say. So let's go back and head back downstream again. So what ended up happening is that I came back to the stream another day, and the stream is actually really flooded. Like, I don't think I have ever seen the water levels that we have here right now. It's water like, it's like all the way into the forest here. And the current is really strong. It's a lot of water moving. So this will be it will be interesting. I have switched memory cards on the GoPro. I have switched the battery. I have mounted it on the helmet. I brought a kayak. So let's put it in and head upstream and see what we can find. My phone and car keys are inside the waterproof containment. I need my paddle. I love this already, but it's really strong current though. I'm going to see if I can do a side-by-side, a split screen maybe, and see what it looks like and what it looked like. Like, this is so crazy. Look how far it goes. I was going to make Tuesday's trip. I was going to make that into one vlog, and then when I went past here yesterday and saw that the water levels was this high, I just thought that I have to go back. Is that a fucking beaver? Oh, I'm scared. Oh, that's so creepy. Jesus. That stick was like, it was going upstream for a second, and then it turned around and came straight at me. I was like, where was I? Oh yeah. Tuesday's kayaking trip. I was going to make that into one episode, because nothing really exciting happened. But then when I drove past here yesterday and saw that it's really high now, I decided that instead of making that into one episode, I will cut that footage down and then take some of this footage and make it like a two-parter in one. because it will be more fun to see the difference in water levels, and this episode will for sure be more exciting than the other one. And this right here, people, this is where I had to get up out of the kayak, and I wandered over there on top of the snow, and as you can see, all that snow is now gone, and I dragged the kayak all over that, and I couldn't go any further than this. I want to go in there. Can I? Don't be too shallow here. I think it is though. Maybe if I do like this, I can just push myself through for now. Uh-oh. There we go. No, 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 no. No, don't go back. God damn it. This is not good. I don't want to get stuck in the actual trees though. Can I just hold this for a second while I put this back together? Great! We can continue. And I'm going to head into this little forest. Helmet back on, my stupid little helmet makes me look like an egg. Over there is where the stream actually goes, and it's a really strong current. Like I can feel the kayak going sideways, just being pulled away from the force. This is so cool. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy I did this. Like, when do we ever get to experience this? It's like being in the freaking Everglades or something. The Swedish Everglades. I wonder if I can get out too, or if I have to go back. It's so quiet in here too. Maybe. I think we'll probably have to go back if we want to get out. Stranded. Can I please get under here without falling in as well? Would be good, and not getting stuck with my helmet. Oh no. Come on. Come on. I'm literally on top of a tree right now. It's too shallow in here. Now what? Can I get out of there? I think we can. Okay, we're back to freedom. Let's go back, find our way to freedom again, and keep going. Camera is still on my head, so that's good. I didn't lose it. Let's continue. Can you see anything though? It's like the sun is straight into my face. Tasty. I will just show you when we get out how strong this current actually is. I'm gonna try to paddle upstream, but I'm not strong enough or fast enough to actually make it past this bit, I think. Like that's all I got, and I just get pushed back. I don't feel like getting up and walking through here either, because it's still so much snow and it's just slushy, you know, and so let's head back down. This will be nice. Going all the way back without doing any work. Nice. I feel like freaking Superman. Look how fast I'm going. This must be what the beavers feel like when they swim under here. Let's put a super beaver up here somewhere. That's what's like swishing around beneath me as we speak. I can't see him, but I know he's there, lurking, watching me. Let's see if I can get through here. I could. Let's go past this tree without falling in. Where can I get out? Perfect, perfect. Speed! Jeremy Clarkson. Let's put a Jeremy Clarkson up here. Speed! Nice. Maybe I should do a battery check. I guess we're down to the tens. 20 exactly. And we have like maybe 500 meters left, so I think we should be okay. Speed! Nice. Going upstream was a pain in the ass. It's really hard paddling, but worth it. We are getting back to the bridge again, and I think the battery is pretty close to running out now, so if I can just get a little bit closer than that, that would be perfect. Well, that will have to do, I guess. I can stand up. I don't want to fall in. Let's get over to this rock right here. Yeah, wet shoe, but what can you do? Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next episode.